It's all format.
Yeah.
You want to make this no music, quiet here?
No.
It's a short
Play the
thing.
tension.
Yeah, we
Quiet
should keep
music.
the tension going
Yeah.
because it really,
Very short.
Yeah. Yeah.
this is important in here.
You
I
know,
think-
we might. Doesn't that grate open now?
Yeah, the grate
Yeah.
opens.
There,
And it
yeah,
closes.
Yeah.
And it closes again right behind him.
yeah.
Can't
So
see
we
it.
might have some very heavy chords on those wonderful doors.
You know what the
closing, and
grate shows? The grate shows that he comes into it, but then he's trapped.
What's going on, buddy? You're being put into carbon freeze.
Lord Vader, but what if he doesn't survive? He's worth a lot to me.
The Empire will compensate you for your loss.
What a great moment.
I love you.
I know.
What are you going to say? I love you too.
Violin.
There's a love scene. We call it a love scene. It's actually a scene that leads to a kiss.
All right, now here what happens is they, for one last time, just like they did in Reel 7, they try to go into hyperspace, but the computer malfunctions. Right here, Chewie does the lever. Yeah, right there. You put in. That was where you begin that malfunction effect. But this one is much more serious than the one in Reel 7, although it also can last longer. So probably you'll have to find some other motors and strange sounds. You have some tones, descending tones. Some of those.
Reverse some of those tones that I used before in Reel 7 so that they go down.
Yeah, you know,
Okay,
right.
that'll
The
be
Ben
good.
Kenobi tractor beam tone backwards.
Okay.
Probably go in there, and it goes for quite a while up to. So they're all listening to the things malfunctioning here. That whole thing. Lando also goes over here at the end and he turns some other buttons here. And the usual other items, Chewie pounding the dashboard, which is Metal Hit 40, our old favorite. The flashes there, you know, obviously Explosions 111. Then just preceding that a few frames, the TIE laser shooting. Then the explosion. And then, like, lasers 36 pass-by as if one missed and went on. Sort of the usual package of stuff there.
Okay.